Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this Powerpuff Girl vibes. So I'm going to show you how you can dress like Blossom in DTI. She's a beauty, she's brave, and she's bringing the sleigh. So we're channeling the iconic Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls in this adorable DTI look. And let me show you how you can create this look. So first, let me start with the hair. First, I'm going to use this curly hair, this one, and change the color into this orange color. And then I'm going to click on the bangs category and wear this bangs in here with the same color. And combine it with this bangs. And I'm going to go to the curly category and wear this hair in here with the same orange color. But I'm going to toggle it into only the bangs. And lastly, I'm going to wear this wavy hair, the one with this black color with the same orange color. So now this is the hair, and let's start with the outfit. So first, I'm going to wear this top in here, this one, and change the first color using this pink color. You can copy my hex code if you want to. Then the rest of them, I'm going to color it black, including the ribbons. Okay, and I'm going to wear this skirt. The first color, use the pink one, and the second one black, and the last one go back into pink. And then I'm going to wear this dress from the Valentine updates in here, and toggle it into no ribbons, and change the color into the first one into black, and the last one into pink color. Then I'm going to change the texture into knit. And now for the shoe, I'm going to use this Mary Jane shoe. Color it black with socks. And the socks, I'm going to color it white. And now I'm going to put on this stockings in here, and again color it white. And now you're just going to put on some accessory. Here I'm going to put on this necklace and color it black, and then I'm going to put on this bows on the hair and toggle it into type 3 and use the same pink color like the outfits. So now this is the final look for Blossom. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.